In the Matrix movies series, Neo took the red pill, joined the revolution, and finally destroyed all clones of Smith in one giant explosion from within the clones. We believe we have found the equivalent of red pill in real life, that is DMeta Omnihash, a QR code system based on the hash code of your public key, which you may then use to recruit your own downlines in a multi-level network. DMeta Omnihash can be accessed via the address godmeta.github.io/h. The string after the question mark is the hash string or hash code of your sponsor or upline, which is automatically generated if you open this page using the QR code. DMeta is the recursive abbreviation of DMeta Decentralized Metaverse, a project or platform aimed at substituting the existing centralized metaverse and financial systems with a decentralized one, to be owned and operated by individual users and free software programmers, so that all users and members can be rewarded fairly. In contrast to Matrix final scene where Neo explodes from within numerous clones of Agent Smith which light up the whole Matrix world, DMeta Revolution will be less dramatic visually and shall take at least a few years to accomplish. DMeta Omnihash shows we have found the theoretical proof that decentralized metaverse and financial system can be achieved, which will help close the widening global rich-poor gaps, something present forms of governments fail to achieve, eventually establishing metanarchy, or anarchy via metaverse. Anarchy has been misunderstood as lawlessness, largely due to Hollywood propaganda, and the inability of politicians in the 19th century to comprehend a government without physical form. Lacking in training in classical Latin, some coin the word DAO for decentralized autonomous organizations, instead of metanarchy, which is much more powerful and intuitive. That is like calling communism democratic socialism, just to comply to a certain Christian political correctness of a mere 8% of the population of United States. That is the white Anglo-Saxon Protestants, or just around 25 million in total number. DMeta Omnihash is unique compared to other multi-level network schemes in that it is truly decentralized and automorphic. Being truly decentralized means that you set up your own multi-level networks that are independent from others. Imagine each multi-level network being represented by a cone-shaped tower. In conventional application design, user information is stored on the back-end or server side. DMeta Omnihash truly decentralized architecture enables any user to initiate new multi-level networks independently from back-end applications. Being automorphic means that adding multiple hashes forms a string which itself can be applied to a hash function to generate another hash string or hash code. The automorphic property means that a programmer's identity hash can be added to the hash of the source code he has written to form a hash contract, which can be added to other programmers' hash contracts, forming composite hash contracts. This is an unprecedented breakthrough in software engineering and finance as it enables programmers to formally monetize their source code with hash contracts and work together in large groups, without requiring tedious and costly incorporation and setting up of companies. Here we show how a trivial program source code print hello world may be hashed to obtain its hash code, along with the hash codes of party A the owner, and party B the client. All these hashes are finally hashed together to get the root hash. The best visualization of DMeta decentralized metaverse than we may present now is Euler's Business Park, an upgrade from the original Königsberg town with 7 bridges. With 2 additional towers representing Hilbert Hotel and Fibonacci University. Ultimately, DMeta decentralized metaverse will look like a huge number of floating towers, like satellites floating above every city, carrying out daily financial and social transactions for users, and making profits on behalf of individual members, users and free software programmers on DMeta platform.